Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I got some friend mail today. Wow, Rosana, nicely packaged. Okay, I'm gonna show you her channel. Rosana's Natural or Rosana Natural Nails. Please check her out. I'm trying not to bump into things here. So we got some silk wraps, and you can see them. And I believe these are buffers. And here is the reduction. Is it extension? I'm not sure. But that's it right there. Thank you so much, Rosana. And then I got something here. Trying to open it. Fancy gloss. I'm thinking it's like a top coat. Thank you so much, Rosana. Of course, she did not have to send me this. And she sent me 2 scrapers. 80s movies. Oh, also has a website on the bottom. And this one means the Stamping Shop collab. That's cool. Those are actually really cool. And this is brush on glue. Awesome. Thank you. And then we got some gorgeous natural nails. I need that for this nail, which I'm going to be applying starting today. And today is July 5th. So, yes. Thank you. And then we got Zoya polish remover. This is, I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, she sent me an acrylic plate. I have never used an acrylic plate. It's pretty cool. Thank you so much, Rosana. Please check her channel out, you guys. She has amazing long nails. And even if they're not long, I mean, she has good content. Please check her out. She has some awesome art. I will leave her link in the description. Thank you so much, Rosana. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.